here and I'm going to show you how to replace a trailer brake battery with a lithium battery for it. So this just has a bread tie on it. It's pretty easy. Put a mess of wires here. Just gonna unplug this. Take the old battery out and put the new one in. Interesting thing on these trailer brakes is actually the hubs create power to charge these. They just have a little magnet in there. It acts almost like an alternator. But yeah, so really simple process here. These will last significantly longer. You probably never have to change them almost. But there you go. There's one lithium battery swap for trailer brakes. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.